In this video, I'm gonna cover the top AI tools that I'm using at the moment to make more money or save costs for e-commerce. The first tool that I highly recommend, this thing is the most powerful thing I've ever seen, is Claude Code. Now you might be thinking, I've used Claude before, it was really cool, but you probably haven't used Claude Code and you haven't used it to the full potential. The amount of e-commerce brands that I mentor that just don't even understand how it works is crazy, so I need to cover it. Typically, the way that I know a founder isn't using Claude Code is they go, I use AI and it comes out 70% half-baked and it's not quite usable. Plus, I could have done it in the same amount of time or just hired someone really cheap to do it. This is a red flag that they just don't know how to actually use this tool properly. Without getting too technical, Claude Code will actually run on your computer rather than just on a browser. This just gives it way more juice. So for example, if you wanted to download all of your Xero transactions, upload it into Claude Code and say, build me a robust financial model and actually break it down into each of its cost categories, it would be able to do that using Excel on your terminal, which is just far more effective than a lot of people are using like browser extensions to try to click around Google Sheets. This just isn't there yet. Some other things that I've done with absolute ease, and I'm telling you, this has just been so easy to do, is I've created a Facebook scraper that analyzes creatives and looks into hooks. I've created a landing page generator that's just one click, launching websites. I've cloned websites, headless, doubled the speed of the website as well. I've even created a Slack bot that sits in Slack with all information about our company to help train employees and even mentor people as well. Now, here's the crazy thing, and you might be thinking, that sounds like it's so difficult. It is really not. You can simply go to Claude and say, how do I set this up? And it will walk you through every single step of the way. You can ask it, give me the next steps, give me the next steps. All you need to do is really understand what you're trying to build and why, and it will handle all of the technical. That being said, I do highly recommend you go watch a couple of tutorials on Claude Code because it can be destructive. It is running on your device. So you need to understand things about memory, logs, and actually how to set up MD files. Before I go any further, I should disclose that a lot of the people in this video are my sponsors. I launched the AI Brand Builder course by Daily Mentor, and I reached out to a lot of these people because they are the best tool for the job. The next tool on the list is Triple Wow. Now, most people in e-commerce that are getting a few sales understands what Triple Wow actually is. It can track daily profit and loss, it can help with attribution, but after learning a lot about AI, I've realized that the single biggest thing that is going to hold a lot of brands back from becoming extremely powerful with AI is the fact that they have bad data hygiene. The data lives in Shopify, it lives in Klaviyo, it lives in 4 other places, it lives in Xero. It's just all over the place. This is the worst thing that you can possibly do. We need a data warehouse or a data lake or just a central hub of data that can actually be queried upon so that we can get the best possible answers. And I think that there's no better tool at this stage than Triple Wow for that because it is already integrated with all of these tools for most e-commerce brands. And that's just become so powerful with their tool Moby, which is an AI agent that actually sits on top of it. So let me give you some use cases about how you could actually use this as an e-commerce brand. If you have proper naming conventions, which you should if you followed my tutorials on your Facebook ads, being that you have the actual type of ad, so it might be image, and then it might be the type of creator, and then it might be the angle of the ad, and you create this naming convention so that you can easily sort on Facebook to be like, how many UGC ads am I running? How many sale ads am I running? How many sales has this creator actually made through their ads on Facebook? These should be easy things for you to actually sort on Facebook, but when you get to a certain stage, you just have so many ads there, you can actually go to Moby now and you can go, can you produce me a report based on those things? Can you produce me a report based on how many ads I've actually added to the Facebook ad account this month and the revenue? And you could map that over time to see, does creative volume actually support your business? There's a ton of other obvious things that you can ask it about your net profit over time, your margin compression, your revenue, things that are correlating with that. You can ask it about cohorts, like how much does this product have a better LTV compared to this product? You can ask all of those things, but one other really cool thing that I think that you should know is that with Moby now, it is becoming more of an agent. So you can go to it and say, can you produce this report for me every month and send it in Slack? Rather than just hiding it away and your team not being able to see it, you can create these reports and create these automations so you don't have to actually manually work in Excel anymore. The next AI feature that I absolutely love is Mania. So Mania is a product sourcing tool. Everyone knows that I love sourcing products. The way that I became successful wasn't I was a great marketer, it's because I picked the perfect products at the perfect time. So I highly recommend that you use AI in this process, and it can get a little bit confusing, to be honest. Whereas Mania, what I talked about before, with the large amounts of data actually going through, the data hygiene, with more data, and they have millions of ads scraped, millions of products scraped, they can give you the best product recommendations. And that's exactly what they've done with their new Lists AI. Because a lot of e-commerce people are actually the opposite to me. They're really, really good at marketing, but they just suck at finding products. And I'm just like, what is a tool that people can look at and just simply click on and have a large amount of faith that they're just like, I just need to launch that product, which is great. And the other thing that's really cool about Lists AI is I know a lot of people watching this are like, I really want to launch a golf brand, or I really want to launch a pet brand. They have a specific niche that they really want to launch their business with because they're passionate about that niche. And this gives some trending top products within that niche. And the next product that I was pleasantly surprised with around their AI was OmniSend. I used OmniSend for our AI brand builder, where I launched a store and got it to $15,000 in sales very, very quickly just using AI. And I was actually setting up my emails, and it was so simple. I could just click subject line and I just did AI. And then I clicked the description line, and then I could go actually into the email and I could just click AI, and it was just creating the copy as it went along. Even like for larger catalog stores, you can simply drag, and they use AI to be like, what recommended product should actually be in that email as well. What was also really cool is the segmentation. Now, when I was running my email marketing back in the day for my e-commerce brands, I would hate trying to create these segments, and I'm like, I'm scared I'm overlapping this. I'm scared I've filled out these filters wrong. You can simply write in the segment that you want, like people that have engaged over the past 30 days or people that have done this, and the AI will create the segment to you. And what's really powerful with that is that what I talked about before with Claude Code, you can simply go to Claude Code and you can give it all of your branding information, and you can say, write me this awesome email. And you can actually just drag that into the HTML of OmniSend and paste it, and you'll get the most beautiful designed emails completely with AI. OmniSend will segment it, and you're off to the races. If you liked today's video, don't forget to go check out our full video on how to build an AI store. It's completely free. It's on YouTube. It's on your screen right now. Peace.